going to tell you that how you can resize your image. Select the image. As I told you, you can resize from here also. Okay. As well as you can see in the format option, right side, its height and width is appearing. So you can directly type here. Now you can see when I'm changing its height, automatically width is changing. Why? Because it is maintaining the ratio. So if you want a square image or you want to have a on width and height according to your choice, so in that case you will go there in that small arrow. You can see again I'm telling you there small arrow. Okay. There is, you can see in the scale option, log aspect ratio is checked. You need to deselect it. Now you can see if I'm changing its width or height, so it's not reflecting to another option. So for example, I want it in a square. Again, I can click here like 3. Okay. So in this way, you can maintain a ratio. Now, next, I want to tell you about cropping an image. When your image is selected, there is a one option is given, crop. Just click on it. Then you can see there are some that black angles or lines are appearing. So just select it and drag to that portion uh, from where you want to crop the image. For example, I want to have image like this. Then again click on this option. Now you can see your image is cropped.